So if you guys go back and watch our video from Cletus and Carr's Indy walk where Merica did the burnout when JH and Ron drove it, it ended up not starting at the end of the night. We pulled the engine out as we've shown you. Today's the day we're going to tear it down a little bit, show you guys taking the pistons out of it, and tell you what our game plan is. So take a look at this.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to tear this engine apart, Ron. You ready?
Sure.
Actually, I've already been working on it. So this is the original engine out of my sled pulling truck. The one that was in another pulling truck, and then it got put in Merica, took the absolute whooping. As you can see, it has the melted piston right there. Not very nice. That's all piston rings. We're going to slide out of there. I got everything off of it except for the crank and the cam are in it, and the front timing case and the pistons. So there's the fluid amper, and there's the oil filter mount. The one thing that I did notice is this water pump right here off of this engine is not very happy. I mean, this thing sounds absolutely terrible. It's crazy how bad that thing sounds. So, but that thing has saw high RPMs for a long time and lots of heat. So we're gonna get the pistons pulled out of this thing now. As you can see, it's standing up on end, and with Ron's help, we're gonna make something happen. Okay, let's get these piston rings out of here first, Ron. That's not normally how you take piston rings out.
Sometimes there's special circumstances.
I think we could reuse those.
Yeah.
All right, so I got two caps off. Got her?
It's kind of a cool comparison to see how much it melted.
Yeah. Number 2. I know you don't work on engines, so I gotta make sure you keep this shit in line.
Oh yeah.
Dang it, Ron, I liked that one.
Oh, not shit. That one's also.
Is part of the ring missing?
No, but they're golden in there.
Yeah, I saw that
cracked the piston. Didn't I? Or got the ring land.
That's the ring land. I mean, that piston's junk.
Oh yeah.
It's junk. I forgot this actually had good rod bolts in it. That's almost overkill to have good rod bolts. So, here's the fun one. Here comes the fun one. I don't know if I can grab that. Get this button back out of the road. Which one's the melted one?
That one, yeah. The bottom.
Dang it. They don't want to come out, Ron.
That's close. Yes.
I think this is what this hammer is intended for.
Probably.
Is it going?
Yeah, a little bit. There you go. Oh yeah, buddy.
Is it nice?
That's a good one.
That's nice.
Handy.
The top ring land is completely gone.
The rest of them are just kind of melted in. Is that an inclination?
Is that something you ought to be thinking about, you think? That one's a little scuffed too. I think it'd be all right.
Polish out probably.
Oh yeah, that was nice. So since Ron breaks everything, this is one of the things he broke. Not only did he break the monster truck, but this engine.
I only take half credit for this.
That cylinder right there is just not in the best of shape anymore. So we're gonna finish tearing this engine apart to bare block. That block is gonna go to my cousin. It's gonna get bored. We're gonna put a set of pistons in it and that's going to be in our burnout truck, and she's going to live another day. So as you guys saw, that engine suffered some severe abuse. I mean, that thing took a beating for a long time. It melted the one piston and it scuffed all the other pistons. It's because the pistons grew because they got so hot and the block didn't grow, so they got tight in there and then they just scuffed the cylinder walls. So that thing's going to get fixed up now. We're going to keep that block just because it's kind of sentimental. I actually have other blocks that would probably be easier, but that one can be bored out. We can always say that was the original engine out of my Polar, still living on. The crank will get used, possibly the cam will get used. The head is going to get replaced, and yeah, a few other little things. We'll put new bearings in it and stuff like that, but that thing will live another day, so keep watching. You'll see what that's going to go in soon. Now we're going to work on the monster truck. I'll keep you guys up to date with that. And I got a little footage you guys haven't saw yet of in-cab from a show we did at Rensselaer. We lost all the video from the outside, but I did have some GoPro footage, so you guys can at least take a ride with me for the first round of racing. And we ended up getting second that night in racing, and it was a pretty fun place. So I'll try to show you guys some of that footage from time to time. And yeah, make sure you guys keep watching. We appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.